If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. You will get the notification as much as once I will upload the video, and that can help you in saving as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe, and if you are going out, then you are using mask and hand sanitizers and gloves. So I bought the haul for this week from May 10th till May 16th. I purchased 21 products worth $168. It is $14 money maker plus $11 beauty bucks. So that is $25 money maker for you guys. Rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. So my first deal is on Maybelline. Maybelline this week is buy two get $5 extra bucks with a limit of 3. So I purchased this mascara and Fit Me, what do you call this? Fit Me eyeshadow. And so Great Last Mascara was $6.99 and Fit Me was $5.99. That brings my total before coupons $12.98. Then I used $2 of mascara coupon from last week insert and $2 of Maybelline Fit Me coupon from last week insert. I had $1 off Maybelline app only coupon and $3 off $12 cosmetic CRT. After using all 4 coupons, that reduces my total to $4.98 and I got back $5 extra bucks. That is free for both of them, and this also counts toward beauty, so that will add up too. So next deal is on Sally Hansen and CoverGirl. I combined them both because I have a CRT of $10 off $30 CoverGirl plus Sally Hansen CRT. So I purchased 5 of them, 3 of CoverGirl Twin Brow pencils. They were marked as $5.99 at my store, and Sally Hansen Miracle Gel nail polish, that was $9.99. So that brought my total to $37.95. Then I used 3 coupons of $3 of CoverGirl from this week insert and $2 of Sally Hansen Miracle Gel coupons that was going to expire on May 19th. So I will suggest you to use them. And I had $2 of Sally Hansen CRT and $10 of $30 Sally Hansen CRT and CoverGirl CRT. That reduces my total to $12.95. I rolled off $13 and got back $13 extra bucks. So these 2 are free as well. That is 5 products for free of cost, and these also counts toward beauty. Let's go to next deal. So next deal is on Paparazzi. Paparazzi nail polishes buy 2 get $5 extra bucks. So I purchased these 2. They were marked as $2.49 at my store. That brought my total to $4.98. Then I used $1 off Paparazzi nail polish CRT and $1 off 2 Paparazzi nail polish CRT. That reduces my price to $2.98. I got back $5 extra bucks. That makes it $2 money maker, and this also counts toward beauty as well. So after purchasing this worth of $55 of product, I got back a beauty bag as well. That is $15 of worth. I know they are transparent bag, but my store was out of it, so they offered this bag to me in respective of that one. So that's how I got this. For that you have to spend only $30 for that bag, and there are some products that you can see as well. So let's go to the next deal. So next deal is on oral care. So on oral care, these are 2 products, the Crest toothpaste and Oral-B rinse. So Crest toothpaste this week is buy 1 for $2.99, and when you buy 2 you will get back $3 extra buck. This Oral-B rinse was $8.99, and when you buy 1 you will get $2 extra bucks. So these 4 Crest toothpaste and plus Oral-B rinse, that brings the total to $20.95. Then I used $3 off teeth whitening CRT. I had only 1 of them. Then I used $3 off 12 Oral-B Care CRT, $5 of 3 Crest CVS app sent to card coupon, and $1 of Crest toothpaste as well. Then I used 50 cents off app only coupon that also sent to it, and $2 off Oral-B rinse. So then I combined it with the $2 off 6 mouthwash. In the beginning I was thinking it was not going to work, but it did. So that brings my total down to $4.45. I rolled off $4.45 in extra bucks and got back $6 for Crest toothpaste and $2 for Oral-B rinse. Then after coming home, I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. That gives me $2 as well. So this deal, these 5 products were $3.55 moneymaker. I will suggest you to do must-do deal. If you don't have Ibotta, then there's a link in the description box. You can go ahead and use that one. So next deal is on facial care. That is L'Oreal facial care is back this time again. With spend 30, get $10 extra bucks. So I purchased this L'Oreal Age Perfect. This was marked as $20.49, and L'Oreal Micellar Water, that was marked as $10.49 at my store. I used $10 off 30 from last week L'Oreal CRT, that instant coupon we all got, and 2 CRTs of $6 L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizers. Then I used $4 off coupon of L'Oreal from May 3rd week insert, and $1.50 off coupon for L'Oreal from the same week insert. That brings my total down to $3.48. I rolled off $3.48 and got back $10 extra bucks. That makes it $6.52 moneymaker. This also counts toward beauty. So basically buying these 2 products can make you around $10. I will suggest if you have those CRT, then it should be a must-do deal. Don't forget to include it in your haul as well. Let's go to next deal. Deal is on Suave. Suave was unadvertised deal. This week Suave is buy 2 get $2 extra bucks. Online the prices are showing differently, but when you go in the store and ring them up, they are ringing as $3 each. So I purchased 2 of them, these body wash, and I had $2 off 2 Suave CRT, 2 of them. I combined them and I used $1 off Suave body wash as well. That reduces my total to $1. I rolled off $1 and I got back $2 extra bucks. That makes it $1 moneymaker. Counts toward beauty as well. So that will also be part of it. Let's go to next deal. Next deal is on Aleve. So in this time, Aleve deal coming alone. Like usually it comes with bears, but this time it is alone. So you can buy one for $9.99, and when you buy 2 of them, you will get back $6 extra bucks. Buy 2 Aleve 40 count, they will be $19.99, or you can buy 100 count. So use 2 coupons for $4 off. They are expiring this week and on 10th, I think. And use $5 off 20 Aleve CRT. That will reduce your price to $6.98. You will get back $6. Final price will be 98 cents for both of them. Submit the receipt to Fetch Rewards. You will get 1500 points. So final price will be 50-cent moneymaker for you. If you don't have Fetch Rewards, the description has the link. Click on that and you will have the 3000 points for joining the Fetch Rewards. Let's go to next deal. So next I put these 3 randoms ones. Because 2 of them were in my breakdown as well, but this one Cetaphil I add on because of my CRTs. So Cetaphil, there is no as such deal, but I got 2 CRTs of $4. So I combined them and there is a coupon of $2 from last week insert. So I combined them as well. So this product was $10.49. I used those 2 CRTs of $4 and combined with it with $2 coupon. That reduces my price to 49 cents and then submitted to Ibotta, and I got back $1.51 moneymaker. So this will be a must-do deal if you have them. So next is Nivea. Nivea this week is buy 1 get $2 extra bucks with a limit of 1. I purchased this body wash. This was marked as $5.99 at my store. I used $2 of 6 CRT and $1 of coupon from this week insert. That reduces my total to $2.99. I rolled off $2.99 in extra bucks and got back $2 extra bucks. That makes it 99 cents for the body wash. I think this is a decent price for body wash. Next deal is Meechem. Meechem is $2.99. They were marked this week. This is including the surgical one and this one as well. So I had a $2 off CRT from last week CVS and $1 coupon that came this week. That makes it free, and this is also counts toward beauty, so that will also add up. So thanks for watching, guys. This was my haul for this week. Really appreciate your time. I hope this can help you in saving some, and if you can subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Really appreciate it.